We lost our dearest mom, Sarla Patel, on 14th May 2020. The name Sarla in Hindu belief means straightforward, honest, sincere. And that is what she lived. Every word of what her name meant till her last breath. We all siblings, 2 brothers and 2 sisters, fondly called her Ba. Very hardworking, loving, caring, selfless, sacrificial are few amongst the many qualities that epitomized her. We all are very proud to have her as perhaps the best mom in the world. Here is an ode to our dearest Ba. We awake each morning to start a new day, but the pain of losing you never goes away. We go about the things we have to do, and as the hours pass, we think again of you. We want to call you and just hear your voice. Then we remember that we have no choice, for you are not there, and now our heart cries just to see you again, to tell you goodbye, to say, Ba, we love you and we always will, and hope that much of you in us you have instilled. The day that you left, we just didn't know that you were going where we couldn't go. And now all our memories of you are so dear. But gosh, how we miss you and wish you were here, who now can hear us when we need to cry. It's so hard to tell you, Ba, goodbye. Someday we know all will be well, and we'll see you again with stories to tell of how you were missed and how we have grown, and how good it is to finally be home. Until then, our memories of you will keep near, and will pass them on to those who are dear. We miss you, Ba.
In the loving memory of my Ba, stew mixture of rice and tomato soup reminds me of my grandma long back when we were at natives. She always made me one. She knew it was my favorite, and hers was by far the best. She was such a good cook. No, scratch that. She was an amazing cook. Her life had brought her surviving through the brickbats and banquets, which left her with the belief that nothing should be wasted, even food slightly past its expiration date. She would make us sweets. I remember looting a piece of sweet from a casket and hearing her saying, "Girl, you better stop right there." During monsoon, she made me luscious bitter gourd curry with deep fried onion rings. With that, she began chanting, "Aure Varsad," that means "Come, O rain," a name of a video series borrowed from popular Gujarati poem. I recollect the goodness you instilled in me, though sometimes it doesn't show. You deserve to live in paradise and shown the finer things. Your laugh equals happiness. Your heart contains love and hides the stories untold. Her words are like a golden thread that binds our family. Her wisdom, like an art that shares so generously. Her feelings, like a quilt that warms us like no other. The hands of one so dear. This lady is none other than my Ba. To her I do owe all the joy life can bring wherever she goes. The way it smells when she cooks. When I am bad, the way she looks. Right away an acrostic for my Ba. G for the glamour of her wrinkled old face. R for the way my mind she used to refresh. A for the anger which knew no bounds. N is how she nurtured us without a sound. D is for the discipline she followed every day. M is how she motivated me in her own way. O is for the originality, rhymes she used to say. T is for the trust that between us lay. H is for the holiness as she is no more here. E is how she endured the death and the fear. R is for the relief I got whenever she was near. Ba, I can't imagine a gift greater than you. Your love is heaven sent. We love you.
What more can I say than what my brother and niece just said? My Ba is the epitome of tolerance. We all had so much to learn from her. Her actions spoke more than her words. We two daughters were never thought of as different from her sons. She gave us all the freedom to do whatever we wanted to do, whatever I wanted to do. And I did too. I did whatever I wanted to do. But what I learned from my Ba was how much was that whatever. So we knew where our limits were. I do not even remember one time, and I'm not really exaggerating. I'm not exaggerating. I don't remember even one time when she has asked for anything at all. Her principle in life was stretch your legs according to your coverlet. And that was so true. She never asked for anything. Anything that she got was good for her. I was fortunate to have her here with me in US when I was also born as a mother. She taught me the meaning of it, not through any words, but through her actions. Ba, we will cherish all that you taught us. Till we meet again on other side of the world, we all will always love you, Ba, and we are going to miss you. Till we meet again, Ba.